Hold up. When did this thing get here? It's massive! What's with all the pinching? This thing's gotta go. Hey! Those nails are sharp! If I can't get rid of you, I'm covering you up. Oh, that's a lot of makeup! And just like that, it's gone. 99 and 100. Ooh, now it's time for the tweezers. Woo! Time for me to shine! I really hate plucking my eyebrows. Ow! That one really hurt. Alright, eyebrow. You are gonna get shaped. Yeah, that's a good one. So much hair. Can't stop now, though. Why can't I have perfect eyebrows? No one's around. What? No! Don't use me in your nose! Got it! Ow! It hurts so bad. Ugh, I've seen horrible things. This is not the job I asked for. At least she looks nice, though.
No way! Lizzie, look at this!
Yeah, hilarious!
Check this out! So funny! You need to see this!
No, I don't.
I don't know how they do it! Oh, I need a snack. I should be a gentleman. Want a bite? Go on. You know you want to.
Jared!
Sorry, there's no need to shout. Oh, I have an idea. This is gonna be epic. I just need to wait. Where am I? Hey buddy, what's going on? This isn't working. Looks like I need to do it by hand. A little squeeze should do it. Ugh, it looks like poop. This is perfect. I can't wait to see Lizzie's face.
Come on, man! I'm delicious and you're doing this?
Lizzie?
What is it now?
Let's go on board. Come on.
Fine.
I don't like this. Wait. No! No! Please! Ah! Ugh! Yes! Got you! It worked!
This is so gross!
Poopy feet! What did I do to deserve this? What?
Nah. Ugh! You're so immature! Nothing better than a perfect pout. Until next time, little guy. Now, on to the rest of my face. Ugh! The light's blinding! Wait, is it my turn now? Ooh, when's the last time I cleaned this thing? I can't put this on my face. So filthy. But I never have time to wash it. Ooh, watch those hands, Annie! That makeup dust always gets me. Actually, I know what to do! A little soak should do the trick. Let's suds this sucker up. Oh yeah! This feels incredible! The soap smells great, too! The microwave will help it, too. 2 minutes. There. Just a couple minutes is good. Oh! It's ready! Whew, it's hot. Just look at this beautiful thing! Yep. I'm all clean again. Let's try to keep me nice, okay? I can't wait to use you again! Ready? Huh? Wait, seriously? But you just cleaned me! Nothing like a fresh beauty blender. But now I have to clean it again. Alright, go on through. You're next to go through the scanner. Whoa. Hold up there. Nope. You'll need to touch up your eyes if you want in. Oh, I'm so sorry. Of course. No! My brush is all dried up! It's so dry around here. Moisture. I need moisture. There's not enough. So long, cruel world. What am I gonna do? Oh, hey! Help me out! Here you go. Some water should help. Water! Precious moisture! Oh, that's so much better. Wait. Let me check you again. Much better. You're free to go on through. You're good. I like this job. Even though it's kinda weird. These brows grow more by the minute. I look like a caveman. Tweezers, you know what to do. I sure do. Give me those brows. Almost there. Nope. How about this one? Ooh, bingo! That was a good one. Wait, I have to get rid of it? Which one's up next? Time to get back to work. I want it all! Woohoo! Oh no! How strong are these things? I'm glad that class is done. Better put my textbook away. Oh my gosh! He's so cute! I better fix my hair! Ooh, maybe I need something more. A spritz of perfume should help. Hey, I'm here to help. Aren't I just lovely? More of me. More. Okay, now I'm ready. Yes! So many wonderful smells! Whoa, bro! Do you smell that? Too much! Hello, boys. Nice to meet you.
Is this chemistry class? It's a very simple structure. Boring. Let's get a selfie. Oh, okay. What's going on back there? Put that phone away right now! Quick, give me it! I'm just trying to have some fun. Chemistry isn't supposed to be fun. As I was saying. Wow! What a clean mouth! He must floss. Let's partay! I know. I'll make my own entertainment. And I can use this gum. Luckily, I'm an excellent shot. Searching for a target. Target acquired. Oh, great idea! Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this! Fire! I'm flying! What was that? Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna hang out here for a while. Jared! That's it! Detention! It wasn't me. It was Lizzie. Honest. Oh, no way. It wasn't me. I need to get this out. Whoa, steady. I'll need to hold on to this hair. It's stuck. Ugh, I think I'm trapped. Ouch! Got it. This is disgusting. I'm so angry. I've no idea what you're talking about. Get this off me. Ugh. Hey, a little help?
That's it? Okay. Thanks. You did awesome. Have a great day. Hi. I'm here for photos? Sure thing. Have a seat. Okay. I think I'm ready. Do you think you could powder your face a bit? Oh, sure. I've got my brush and compact right here. Alright. I'm ready to get to work. No one's got better hair than me. This will just take me a second. Ooh! This is so fun! Better shake off the excess. Alright, no more shiny face for you! You're gonna look great in these photos! Achoo! Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm ready now. Alright, if you say so. And say cheese. Ugh! This long hair is really getting annoying! More hair coming in hot! Okay! I think that's enough! I said I think that's enough! Jeez! Oh boy! Look at this lion's mane! I've gotta calm these tresses down. Talk about a gnarly tangle. Do you really have to be so difficult? You should wear your hair like this. Stop touching me, will ya? I just want my smooth hair back! Oh god! That used to be attached to me! It'll be like my little souvenir. Kinda gross, don't you think? Give me that! Ew! Now the comb is clean again. You really do have gorgeous hair, Annie. Yep. Well, thanks for the help, comb. I gotta go show off these locks.
Yay, shower time! Showers are always so refreshing. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Better wash my hair, too. Oh yeah, that feels great. Woo! Foam party! Yeah! A little bit of this, and then this move. No one lathers better than me. Hey, look at that down there! I'm going! Ow, what the heck? My voice sounds amazing in here! Whoa, wait, I'm sorry about the eye! Ah, nice and clean. Whew! Woo!
I had a fantastic time with you. Well… good night, I guess. Actually… see you tomorrow, Chris! Oh, she actually kissed me! Oh, what's on my face? Is that… oh,
What's up?
I guess we're hanging out. That was some good sleep. This glitter sure is clingy. Do you mind? Die, zombies!
You tell him, Chris! Go! 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 You did it! I knew you had it in you!
Whoa, that's crazy. So crazy.
I think he's staring at me.
Yeah, what's that stuff? Ugh, this glitter just won't come off. Much better.
Wait! Stupid boys! Ooh, is my hair okay? Fries smell delicious. I've been looking forward to this all day.
Ooh, this is exciting.
I'm so hungry. You need to have ketchup with fries. Which fry should I eat first?
Hey, look up there. Hey, how's things? Pick me.
So many choices. That one? Nah. What about that one?
Me! Pick me! I'm so salty!
Nope. I'll have that one.
I knew it. No one can resist me. Wait a minute. Ketchup? Now we're talking. Dunk me. Keep going. Just a little more. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. I feel so alive. Wow. Ketchup suits him. Such a fashion icon.
That is yummy.
No. Why? He was so young.
So good. I could eat these all day.
I feel sick. Please don't.
Hey, what's going on? Where did they go?